Welcome viewers to another video. Ever worried about making accidental purchase or want to ensure no one else can buy without your permission? This video is your ultimate guide to securing your Microsoft Store account with a password. So in this video we are going to discuss how we can enable purchase verification to prevent unauthorized transaction and keep your account safe. I will walk you through the simple steps to set up a password verification in place on Microsoft stores. So let's check and say goodbye to accidental buys and hello to peace of mind. Launch your Microsoft Store application, then click on your profile, navigate to settings and toggle this off, purchase without password. So this setting is really very important to prevent unauthorized purchases. As you can see, when it was toggled on, store was giving us the smooth buying experience, and it doesn't require any PIN or password to confirm purchases and in-app transactions built through Microsoft. So hence, it adds an extra layer of security and gives you control over your spending. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on managing your digital life securely and efficiently. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment below and I will be sure to address them. Thank you so much. Till then, take care and bye bye.